So the next question is JEE Advanced 2023 question, which is from linear differential equation. JEE Advanced 2023 chapter is linear differential equation. Why it is called linear differential equation? Linear in terms of the derivative variable, that is dependent variable. If the differential equation is linear in terms of dependent variable, then it is called linear differential equation. Here, so the dependent variable is y. Dependent variable is y is depend on the x, and what is the maximum power of y is 1. Maximum power of y is linear, right? So let me explain the concept. Linear differential equation is linear in terms of dependent variable. For example, this may be dy by dx plus any function p of x into y is equal to q of x. This is linear differential equation. Linear in y. Okay. Similarly, if someone write dx by dy plus p of y x is equal to q of y. So this is also linear differential equation. Linear in x. For example, suppose the differential equation is dz by dx plus p of x into z is equal to q of x. This is also linear differential equation. Linear in z. Okay. So why I am saying that the observation is dependent variable is y, linear in y. Dependent variable is x, linear in x. Dependent variable is z, linear in z. If a differential equation is of that form, derivative of a variable and linear in that variable, so what do we need to do? There is a way to solve this type of differential equation. What is that method? I will explain. In all the cases, what we need to do is we need to find integrating factor. What is that integrating factor? Suppose this is equation 1. Integrating factor with this equation is e to the power integration of coefficient of linear power of the dependent variable. What is the coefficient? P of x. E to the power p of x dx. This is the integrating factor. Similarly, for this integrating factor is e to the power integration of coefficient of dependent variable py. So we have to integrate with respect to y. For this integrating factor is e to the power integration of dependent variable is z. Coefficient of z is p of x. So e to the power integration of coefficient of dependent variable linear term with respect to that variable, you have to integrate. After integrate, what you need to do is multiply this integrating factor to the differential equation, this factor to the differential equation, this factor to the differential equation. After multiplying, you will get the differential equation in an integrable format by extension. Okay. So what we discussed? This is the theory. So linear differential equation, standard form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Different derivative in y, so linear in y, so it is a linear differential equation in y. So integrating factor is e to the power integration of p of x dx. After finding integrating factor, what we need to do is we need to multiply this integrating factor to given differential equation. After multiplying, what we need to get? The left hand side become y derivative of y into integrating factor, dependent variable into integrating factor, and the right side become q of x into integrating factor. From here, whatever integrate both these, if I integrate whatever y into integrating factor into integrating factor. Dependent variable into integrating factor is equal to integration of that right hand side into integrating factor. After doing integration, we will get the required solution. Let me solve the question. So this is our question. This is linear in y. So how we have to solve? This I can write dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x square. So linear in y, that means integrating factor is e to the power integration of 2 by x dx. This is equal to e to the power integration of 2 is constant 1 by x dx. Integration of 1 by x is ln x. So e to the power 2 ln x. So this is equal to e to the power ln x square is nothing but x square. We know a to the power log x base a become x. Now let us multiply x square to the differential equation. After multiplying, like what I got, y into integrating factor. That means y into x square is equal to integration of x square already we have into x square dx. So this become integration of x to the power 4. Integration of x to the power 4 is x to the power 5 by 5 plus c. So what is your solution? Y is equal to, just divide x square, I got x cube by 5 plus c by x square. So this is my final solution. Y is equal to x cube by 5 plus c by x square. X cube by 5 plus c by x square. So option A is correct. B, C, D are wrong answer.
So another question based on the linear differential equation. What is this question is asked in JEE Main 2021. So the question is solve cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. X is varying from 0 to pi by 2, 0 at close interval. So how do I know linear since the dependent variable is y, and in this differential equation is linear in y. So that means linear differential equation in y. Why linear in y? So in this differential equation only one term y is present and the power of y is 1. Correct. How to solve? Before solving this, what I explained in previous question, we have to make it in standard form. What is that? dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. That means dy by dx coefficient should be 1. So for that, what I need to do? Divide cos square x. If I do divide cos square x, what I got? dy by dx 1 by cos square x become sec square x into y is equal to tan x into sec square x. So if I solve tan x and sec square x, tan x is sin x by cos x, sec square x, okay, it's fine. Let it be. Tan x is derivative sec square x, right? Now it is in the linear form. So now the step is find integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power integration of dependent variable coefficient. Dependent variable coefficient is sec square x. So what is the integration of sec square x? Derivative of tan x is sec square x, right? So integration of sec square x is tan x. So this should be e to the power tan x. So now we have to multiply e to the tan x. After multiplying, what we got? Now this expression becomes y into e to the power tan x is equal to integration of tan x into sec square x into e to the power tan x dx. Now we know derivative of tan x is sec square x. So in order to find this integration, what we need to do is we need to assume let tan x is equal to v. So derivative of tan x is sec square x dx is equal to dv. So this become integration of, if tan x is equal to v, so this would be v, and sec square x become dv, e to the power tan x become e to the power v dv. Now what I need to do? Apply integration by parts formula. So v is outside. Integration of e to the power v become e to the power v minus derivative of v become 1. Integration of e to the power v become e to the power v. So this become v e to the power v minus e to the power v plus integration constant c. So that means e to the power v into v minus 1. Let me put the value v. V is tan x. So solution is e to the power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. So y into e to the power tan x is equal to e to the power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. So let me divide the e to the power tan x both the sides. If I divide, what I got? If I divide, I will get y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c e to the power minus tan x. So this is the answer. So our correct answer is y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c e to the power minus tan x. Y is equal to tan x minus 1 plus c e to the power minus tan x. A is correct, B wrong, D wrong, C wrong. I think you understood. In previous slide we already discussed how it is done, right? So the next question is from JEE Main 2023, which is based on homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous means power is same. Okay, x power and y power should be same. A differential equation is said to be homogeneous if it is contain degree same in all the term wherever x and y present. For example, suppose I have a function f of x dy by dx is equal to f of xy. Then f of xy is called homogeneous function, or homogeneous, this differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda to the power n f of xy, where n belongs to natural number. That means if that in function if we represent x as lambda x, y as lambda y, and we will get the function is lambda to the power n f of xy, then that function will be called homogeneous function of degree n. Homogeneous function of degree n. That n can be like it should be natural number even 0 also. It may be degree 0 also possible. That means if derivative dy by dx is equal to function of xy is given, and in function of xy this property hold, that means we will say this is differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. So if the differential equation is homogeneous differential equation, how to solve this homogeneous differential equation? This is the step 1. Okay, we have to check. In step 2, put y is equal to vx. If you take y is equal to vx, that means dy by dx is equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. So what we need to do? We need to replace this dy by dx as v plus x dv by dx. After replacing this and doing some mathematical manipulation, this homogeneous differential equation either converted into linear differential equation or converted into variable separable method. Most probably it will be converted into variable separable method. We will see in the question how to solve. Let me move to the question. So this is our question. Okay. So let me make that dy by dx equal to something. So here dy by dx is equal to by 2xy. Clearly, this is my f of xy. If I put x is equal to lambda x, y is equal to lambda y, lambda square came outside, lambda x, lambda square came outside, lambda square is cancelled from numerator to denominator. That means the function is homogeneous function with degree 0. Here also you can check. Either you check this way by putting lambda or this is degree of each term is 2. Degree of this combined degree is 2. That means homogeneous. So you can solve by using homogeneous differential equation method. What is that method? By taking y is equal to vx. A differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of xy homogeneous. This will take the typo. This will be t to the power n and n minus 2 natural number union 0 you can say whole number. Okay. Then equivalently dy by dx is 0 means fine. Then you have to take in solution y is equal to vx. Then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dy by dx. Then after doing that, the differential equation is changed to variable separation method. After solution, we have to put v is to y by x. So the solution technique is put v is equal to y is equal to vx and change dy by dx is equal to x v plus v x dy by dx. Then after solution, you have to put v is equal to y by x. So whatever solution you got, this is our required solution. The question is asked in JEE 2023 based on homogeneous differential equation. We already see why this is homogeneous differential equation, since dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square divided by 2xy. If I put x is equal to tx, y is equal to ty, then t square came outside from numerator, t square came outside from the denominator, t square will cancel. So power of t becomes 0. So this is a homogeneous function of degree 0. So that means differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. How to solve this type of differential equation? By taking y is equal to vx. You will let's see. So let me solve this. So our case, dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. So let y is equal to vx. This implies dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So let me put this in the differential equation. I got v plus x dv by dx is equal to x become dx. So this would be x square plus v square x square divided by 2x square into v. So x square will cancel. So I got v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square whole divided by 2v. This implies x dv by dx is equal to this v from the left hand side, you can take it into the right hand side. So if I do that, what I got 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. Let me do the LCM. If I do the LCM, what I got 1 plus v square minus 2v square. So that should be 1 minus v square. 1 minus v square divided by 1 minus v square divided by 2v. So this implies x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. Now what I need to do? dv with all the v term and dx by x is another term. So then what I got? dx by x is equal to 2b by 1 minus v square this is equal to integration of 2b by 1 minus b square. If I took 1 minus b square is t, so derivative of minus b square is minus 2b. So this will give you minus ln 1 minus b square. Okay. So this implies ln xc is equal to 1 by 1 minus b square. ln 1 by 1 minus b square. So this implies xc is equal to 1 by 1 minus b square. So this implies 1 minus b square into x. C I can bring here 1 by c. Okay. 1 by c is nothing but c dash. So what is the value of b square? b is y by x. This should be y square by x square into x is equal to c dash. So this implies I took x square common. So this will be x square minus y square. Denominator x square and x square cancel, then I multiply is equal to c dash x. So our final solution is x square minus y square is equal to c dash and c dash n. Integrating constant, right? Cx. So the solution is x square minus y square is equal to cx. Let me check the solution in the option. So solution is x square minus y square is equal to cx. That means option A is the correct option. This is the correct option. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Let me move to the next question. In this question is based on exact differential equation. Actually, exact differential equation is not in the syllabus of either JEE Mains or Advanced, but it is in the higher mathematics. If you go to do BTech in IIT, you will going to learn this thing. So some little version of the exact differential equation we have to learn, so that like by using this method you can solve the differential equation easily within a few seconds. But without using this exact differential you can solve, okay? But by using this it is solvable easily. What is that exact differential equation means? If in differential equation is of the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, any coefficient of dx is n, coefficient of dy is n, and dou m by dou y, you may study this symbol in physics. This is called dou or del, that means partial derivative. If you are differentiating m with y, that means I have to treat x as a constant. So if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, if this satisfy, then the differential equation is called exact. If not exact, there are a lot of things to do, a lot of way to solve. But if exact, how to solve I am explaining. And if the differential equation is exact, it is very easy to solve. By doing inspection, you are able to solve. Okay. So if differential equation is the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, and dou m by dou y is equal to dou m by dx is equal, then the differential equation is called exact. Okay. If exact, how to solve I will explain. So the theory is, so a differential equation of the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is exactly dou m by dou y is equal to dou m by dx. That means what we need to observe is the differential equation exact or not. If exact, how to solve I will explain. Now in this differential equation, this is my mdx, this is my ndy. Let me calculate dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y means derivative of m with respect to y, keeping x as constant. So 2 is constant, x is constant. So this becomes 2x is constant. So we have given derivative of log y. So derivative of log y is 1 by 2. So this becomes 2x by y. Correct. This is my dou n by dou y. Similarly, dou n by dou x become. That means differentiation of n with respect to x keeping y as a constant. So if I do that, what I got? So 1 by this term is 0 since y is a constant or 3 is a constant, and 1 by y is a constant. Derivative of x square becomes 2x. So what I got? 2x by y. This implies dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. That means differential equation is exact. If the differential equation is exact, how to solve? By inspection. Directly differential. Okay. What I am doing, just observe. In the differential equation, dy, right? Log y is a constant. Okay. 2x after doing derivative of x square we get 2x dx, right? In integration, what we are doing in integration, if you are taking x square is equal to t, then our 2x dx is equal to t. That means somewhere this expression is nothing but derivative of x square, right? Somewhere after doing derivative of x square we get 2x dx. Similarly, 3y square dy is no issue, directly we can integrate. X square by y dy, that means x square is constant. After doing which function derivative we get 1 by ln y. So this function I can write 2x ln y dx as ln y derivative of x square, derivative x square from 2x dx ln y, correct, plus this x square by y become, we can write x square into derivative of ln y, correct, plus let me write as it is dy square 3y square dy is equal to 0. Then this expression is nothing but, look, u, let me change the color, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u become derivative of u into v. So this is the derivative of u into v. That means x square ln y. This method is called solution by inspection. Plus 3y square dy. Let me keep as it is 3y square dy. Then 0 I can write derivative constant, right? After that, every term got a derivative. We need what? Exact solution. Integrate both the sides.